Hi, and welcome back to another 5-minute guitar lesson. Today we're going to be learning how to read a chord chart using a C chord. Those of you who don't know what a chord chart is, it is a way of reading music on guitar that details out how to play just a chord, not individual notes, but multiple notes at the same time. So on the screen you'll see a chord diagram pop up, and we're going to do one string at a time starting with little e. Next to the little E line in the chord diagram, you'll notice that there's a circle. That means we play this string open. No fingers are touching it. We go up to the next string, which is B, and you'll notice that there's a filled in black dot on the first fret box of B. So that means we're going to play the first fret of B. Then we go to G. G also, like little e, has an open circle at the end of it, and that means we play it open. Then we go to our D string, and we notice that there is a colored in circle right on the second fret of D. So we would put a finger at the second fret of D, and then we go up one more string and we're at A, and there's a filled in circle at the third fret of A. So we put a finger down at the third fret of A. Now, depending on who wrote the chord charts, you might notice that there's nothing or an X on the low E string. Now, either way, this means that the low E string should not make any noise. So you need to mute it and play all the strings, but the proper way to do this would be to play 5 strings. So let's go through that one more time. We have an open, little e, first fret, B, open on the G, second fret D, third fret A, nothing on low E. Very good. Now, what if your chord doesn't sound like that? Well, we need to check 2 things. We need to make sure our guitar is in tune, and then we also want to make sure that the chord is playing correctly and our fingers aren't obstructing anything. So if you're getting something that sounds like this, we want to play each string individually and figure out what's going wrong. So let's play A. That's the first string we're supposed to play. A sounds okay. D sounds okay. Oh, well, G is supposed to be open, but I can actually feel when I play it that it's hitting my first finger. That means my first finger needs to adjust. Good, so check again. A, D, G. Now we'll check B. B's working. E's not working, and I can feel it hitting 2 places. I feel it hitting my first finger and the inside of my palm. So I need to actually adjust my hand so my finger can curve more to play the B string. And now little E will ring out, and I can play the chord once more. Alright, so I hope that this has helped you learn how to read a chord chart. Now, if you see something a little bit different, just know that the general symbols are easy to figure out. X means mute or not playing. An open circle at the end of the string line will mean play it open. Colored in dot or a number on the fret of the diagram means to play with that numbered finger or just play that fret. So the colored in dots make it a little bit more difficult to know exactly which finger you're supposed to use, but of course you can always look up videos on how to do that, and I'm going to have more videos coming out that will detail that as well. So I hope this video helped you in learning how to read chord diagrams, and maybe if you didn't know how to play a C chord, you just learned how to play a C chord as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't, the other button works too. Don't forget to subscribe for more 5-minute guitar lessons in the future.